Hello guys and welcome to Southbridge, and in today's video I will show you how to create a simple calculator program using the C programming language. So let us start. Let us type include stdio.h. And then let's create our main function. So as usual, let us return 0. So first is we want to ask the user to input an operator. So let us display a message, enter operator, or let us say choose operator. So let us display the operator symbols. So the plus sign, and then the minus, and then the asterisk for the multiplication, and then the slash for the division. And then let us declare a character. Let us name it operator. And then we will store the user input to the character operator that we had declared. So let us use the %C for the character and the ampersand operator. And then we want to ask the user to enter the first number. So let us type enter first number. And then we will declare a variable float first and second. So first is we will store this first number to this variable. So let's scan the user input, and to use the float we want to type the %f and then ampersand first, and then let us the user to input the second number. Enter second number. So again, let's scan it and assign it to the second variable. And then we will use the switch. So let us put the operator variable. So let us check if the character is one of the operators. So first we will check if it is a plus sign, and then we will print the sum. Sum is, so I want our output to have at 2 decimal places. So that's why I put the dot 2 between the % and the F. And then let us add the two numbers, then break. And now we will check if the character is the minus sign. Difference is %2f. And then we will subtract the two numbers. Second. And then break. So I will just copy this and paste it. And now we will set a default. So if the character is not an operator, we will display an error message. So our message is error. Operator is not correct, or let us say invalid operator. And then let's edit this message. So I think it's good. So let us try to build our program so there are no errors, and let us try to run it. So let us say we want the addition operator. Then we will enter the first number. So I will put number 3. Then for the second number is number 4. So as you can see, our program displays sum is 7, and there are 2 zeros after the dot, so it is a whole number. So let us try the other operators. For the minus sign, so let us say 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. And then the multiplication symbol. Okay, 2 and then 3, so it should be 6. Okay, so the division operator. So 5 divided by let us say 2. So the answer is 2.5. So that's it, guys, and that is our simple calculator.